welcome back to another episode of the SAP Product Inspiration Series. I'm Christian, CSM Customer Success Manager CX here at SAP, and today we are taking a closer look at Döhler, a global producer of natural ingredients, systems and integrated solutions, and how they're transforming from SAP Cloud for Customer, in short C4C, to our newest CRM generation, SAP Sales and Service Cloud version 2. Joining me today are again Michael Emmerich from Döhler and Rasim Özkan from Solvia, Döhler's trusted CX partner in this transformation journey. Let's dive right in. Michael, let's start with you and the question why Döhler moves from SAP C4C to our newest SAP Sales and Service Cloud version 2.
Yeah, hi Christian, and thanks for having us today. I'm really excited to share a bit more about our journey. For us at Döhler, moving from SAP Cloud for Customer to Sales and Service Cloud version 2 was a natural step in our digital transformation. So it was really about building on our CRM foundation and taking it to the next level. And you know that we had been using C4C for several years now, but we wanted a modern cloud-native platform that could scale globally and deliver better performance, more automation, and also a much better user experience. And with Sales and Service Cloud version 2, we saw the opportunity to combine that, speed, intelligence, and usability, and to really empower our commercial teams.
Thanks for choosing the new solution and really awesome to get your insights, Michelle. Rasim, from partner perspective, what made SAP's version 2 solution the right fit for Döhler's sales and service processes?
From the start, Döhler embraced a strong digital-first approach, especially when it comes to their strategic CRM vision. With the modern interface, microservice architecture, and flexibility in integration and development, it quickly became clear that this transition would take their CRM journey to the next level. The goal was not just to replace C4C, it was about transforming and improving sales and service processes on a global scale, all powered by modern cloud technology.
Yes, that's right. And we started with a pilot phase first, involving a selected group of users across both sales and service roles. And the focus at the beginning was implementing the core CRM capabilities, so opportunity management, service ticketing, and guided selling to build a strong foundation. And after learning from the pilot and fine-tuning the system for global readiness, we went live globally at the end of September. And one big advantage was how intuitive the system is, because both our pilot users and global teams were able to get started quickly with only minimal training. And now we are really excited about our next step. So the rollout of the mobile application is on our agenda. And that will make it even easier for our teams to stay connected and productive wherever they are.
On the partner side, we ensured a clean and structured data migration from C4C and set up the integration with S/4HANA, including Döhler-specific side-by-side BTP extensions. In addition, we configured workspaces, automation, and embedded dashboards with SAP Analytics Cloud, all designed to be easily adopted thanks to the simple and user-friendly interface.
Really impressive. Now let's move to outcomes. Michelle, how has the new V2 been perceived internally? And what's the business impact and value for Döhler so far?
Well, the feedback from our users has been really positive so far. They appreciate the modern and adaptive layout, the easy navigation, and just how intuitive the design feels in their daily work. And performance and speed have been a real highlight. The system is really much faster, and that makes a big difference for our teams, of course. On top of that, we have the embedded insights and AI capabilities. We have guided selling, deal intelligence, so a lot of great new features that are helping our teams making smarter and data-driven decisions. We have also seen major improvements in case handling, allowing our users to resolve our customer requests much faster. And I think altogether, Sales and Service Cloud version 2 have already given us a more efficient, intelligent, and user-friendly platform that's adding real value across the system. And we are really looking forward to realizing even more benefits as we continue our journey with version 2.
From our partner perspective, the early feedback shows that we are solving the right challenges. This project set the stage for Döhler to embrace next-gen capabilities like AI, predictive analytics, and advanced collaboration. Our transformation journey is just getting started, and the foundation we built with V2 is already strong.
It's great to hear that. Döhler's journey shows how SAP Sales and Service Cloud V2 is creating value, not just as a technology upgrade, but as a catalyst for digital business transformation and innovation across the company. Now that we have heard the story behind Döhler's sales and service transformation, let's see the solution in action. Thanks again, enjoy the demo, and see you soon.
This demo shows the Döhler-specific sampling request, which is embedded into SAP's guided selling experience. The process can be started directly from the playbook card. The Quick Create screen appears, and we see that relevant data from the opportunity has been passed automatically. Now we are in the sampling request screen, which includes sample details, product information, integration logs, involved parties, and related documents. Because of the seamless integration, we can directly edit sampling details without using the SAP S/4HANA backend system. For example, we select CS plus R&D in the quality approval field. If something is missing, the system provides information about the mandatory data. In our case, we forgot to maintain at least one product in the sampling process. Therefore, we need to maintain a product first. We apply the search by using the product value help. The material description represents our search criteria.
Because of SAP seamless integration, the system validates the data immediately. By clicking the error message, we can check why this product cannot be used. In our case, material is not an active assortment. The product does not extend to the related sample lab. 2. After checking internally with the team, we know which product is the correct one. Now the validation turns green, and we can proceed in our process and click Save. Now, we can find the created sampling request under the Samples tab, including its status. Now, we are ready to go on and click on Next Steps to create a related ticket, which can be found under the related documents as well. The ticket can be used for internal discussions and tasks about the sampling request. Back in the sampling request document, we can now trigger a simulation of the sample order. The system now connects with the S/4HANA backend, and we can see that the simulation was successful. Now we can create the sampling request and check the logs for more details if needed. Upon completion of this step, the sample order is created without errors, and its status is updated to completed. Finally, the LTO sample order can be opened and managed directly in the S/4HANA backend. A big time saver. This concludes our demo. Thanks a lot for watching.